the 5 for $25 sale for my socks. You get 5 pairs of socks for $25. It ends Monday. So I want you guys to get the sale, but it's ending soon. So don't wait till the last minute just because we're not going to be doing the sale again for a while. If at all. So this is just kind of like I started the new sock line and I wanted you guys to get it, and I know that, you know, I want you guys to be able to experience the socks first, fall in love with them, and then that way you guys will buy more. Definitely have to end the discount because it's already 65% off. So, very generous. But like I said, it ends Monday. Okay. Oh, you know what? Since you guys are here, I want to show you guys the socks. Federico in the house. I see you. Don't mind my crib, it's dark. Okay, hold on. Let me just get trusty bag. Alright, socks galore. Okay. I'm gonna go back to my little spot. You guys like my elephant? Alright. Oh snap, 5 pairs. Yes, sir. 5 pairs for $25. You guys can't beat that. Don't say I didn't look out for you guys. I wanted y'all to experience the socks first at a very cheap price. And then you guys can buy lots of socks later. But I'm going to earn your trust first by giving you a crazy discount. So anyways, which is my favorite pair? That is a good question. Hi, So Pure. Up and coming fitness clothing line, So Pure. All right. My favorite pair. Oh, it's so hard because I'm always changing it every week. And I guess it just depends on my mood because I'm a Scorpio. But I'm feeling right now the lemons. And you know what's interesting? I'm not even a big fan of purple, but recently I've been liking this purple color, this like lavenderish. So these are the socks. Now, I get a lot of questions on, are they for men too? Are they unisex? Yes, absolutely. How am I gonna hold my phone somehow? Okay. My knees are holding my phone. So if it falls, so bear with me. The thing about these socks, and this goes for every design. I got the cookies, I got the lemons. They stretch. Look. Oh, you see? I saw that coming. Okay, wait. My knees aren't that talented. All right, so look how long they stretch. So they fit up to a size 15 men's. So the socks are for everybody. However, obviously, depending on the design, you might think a certain design is more manly than other. Like, for example, we have the beer ones. So these are like, I'm sure the fellows love beer. But there's females, there's ladies that love beer too. But I just wanted to show you guys the quality of this stuff because if you could see, they're pretty thick. But they're 100% cotton. So they're breathable. See? It's breathable. So even though it's hot outside, you could still wear them because they're cotton. And also what's cool about them is the designs are really stitched in. So it has like a 3D look to it. So even when I stretch out the design, it doesn't mess it up. So they're really great quality socks, and like I said, stretches all the way to a size 15 foot. And I wear a size 6, and they fit me. So imagine. The Great Waves are off the hook. Those are cool. I like the Great Waves. And we're shipping worldwide, guys. So I've been having a lot of people asking if they ship to whatever country. I've got in India. Yes, we ship to India. We ship worldwide. So wherever you're at, you can buy the socks. For $5 for $25. Really cannot beat it. So, I'm gonna show my top favorites. Definitely love the donuts. These are adorable. And pink donuts, so. Oh, the cherries. I like these because they really go with anything. I'm big on matching my socks to my outfit. So I know there's a lot of you that have jobs where you require uniforms. So this is kind of like a statement sock. You know, if you're wearing scrubs or if you're wearing a police uniform or whatever it is that you have to wear to work, this will help you stand out. So, or you can match it to your outfit however you so please. And it's so hard to pick just one. I think I'm gonna go with the Great Waves next. Oh, wait. I love the Botticelli's. This is a famous art piece, and I just love it because of the mermaid. Okay, where's my Great Waves? These are super cool. This is another famous art piece, but I just like it because it's of the wave, and I like blue. Right now, where am I? They're so, oh, and I love these ones. Does anyone know this art piece? Where it comes from? Yay, you and your son are selecting. So yes, those that are just joining, yes, I am selling socks. It is my new sock line. And I started it with a company called Econfluence. So we work together in this, and they have been absolutely amazing in this whole process. But the reason why we chose socks is because, first of all, a lot of my audience is male. And I wanted to make sure that if I was going to sell something, that I was catering to both, you know, to the fellas and to the ladies. So I figured, what is something fashionable that I could also be into, and that I could also wear, that would help people stand out? So I chose socks because you could really wear them on any occasion. And also, I felt like during the quarantine time, it's something that everyone's going to need because we're spending a lot of time in the house. So house socks are a thing. And then also, you know, you could wear it with your uniform. So I just felt like it was something that everybody could use. It's not something that is not needed. We need to wear socks. It is what it is. So why not make them cute and fashionable? Did I miss any other questions? You want some socks. The website is super simple, thosepopsocks.com. Let me go ahead and pin that. Those. I just got my nails done, so it's kind of hard for me to type now because I'm not used to having long nails. Okay, here we go. All right, so shop now, www.thosepopsocks.com. Super easy. Remember, for the 5 for $25 sale, it ends Monday, and you're going to get 5 pairs of socks for $25. No catch. It's 65% off, but it ends Monday. So if you want them, now's your chance, because the sale will be ending, and I'm not going to be doing that sale anymore because that discount is just too crazy. So if you want to support, now's the time. So you have to add the discount code when you check out. So if you add the 5 socks to your cart, then it's going to ask you for a coupon code or promo code or whatever, and you just put Kristen 5 for $25, all lowercase letters. Are they comfortable? They're 100% cotton. So I'm feeling it, and it feels like I'm holding a giant cotton ball. So if you like cotton, then yes, they are comfortable. If you don't like cotton, I don't know what to tell you. But yeah, they're extremely comfortable. They're breathable. I wear them to the gym, so that will just tell you how breathable they are. I don't recommend wearing socks that are hot to the gym because you'll be sweating in your feet, so I don't sweat when I wear these. But yeah. Thank you, Nate. Kristen 5 for $25. All right. Okay, let me show you one more pair. Like, come on. Anyone want some eggs? We got breakfast socks. We got lots of fruit. We have cookies, donuts, and then we have a bunch of art. I will be adding new designs in the future. However, for now, this is what we have. So I went ahead and I pinned the website. It's right there. Shop now, www.thosepopsocks.com. We ship worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you're at. We'll ship to you. And we are running a promotion, 5 pairs of socks for $25, which is 65% off. This sale is ending Monday, and I'm not doing it anymore. So if you want the socks, if you love the socks, which I'm sure you will, because I absolutely love them. I wear them with everything. In fact, I'm wearing them right now. Okay, wait. How do I change my camera around? Okay. Those are the Starry Nights, because I love art. But yeah, we have everything. Any questions, guys?